and action. So it's August 1st. We're sailing out here on Georgian Bay. There's Maddie, give us a wave. There's Ethan steering. And we're actually going upwind. There's Jen. Give us a wave there. So we're trying out this GoPro that I don't want to lose. So we're out here still in Sydney Bay. And with any luck, we're going to sail out to that island out there that you see way offshore. So in a little bit, we're going to have to come about. And we have a perfect day here. So you guys want to say something? Something really, really astute? Because I'm going to put this on YouTube, so you want to say something. How about that? How's that? That better? Okay. Okay. Something smart and important that people will say, oh my gosh, I wish I'd have said that. Let's see. Maddie's got her new hat on. It's great. This is going to be your YouTube hat. See, if you just brought a hat of your own, you wouldn't have to be wearing that goofy hat of mine. So, all right. One more pan before we run aground over here. Just going to stop it.